This is what happened when OpenAI released GPT 5.3 and why this update matters for hundreds of millions of people using ChatGPT. GPT 5.3 Instant, new AI image generation tools, and powerful coding models like GPT 5.3 Codex represent one of the most significant updates to the ChatGPT in recent years. The update officially launched on March 3rd, 2026, introducing improvements in accuracy, conversation tone, web search integration, and coding performance. But GPT 5.3 is more than just a small upgrade. It represents a shift in how OpenAI is evolving its AI systems after major feedback from users around the world. To understand why GPT 5.3 matters, we need to look at what changed, how it performs compared to earlier models, and what it might signal about the future of AI development. The launch of GPT 5.3 Instant on March 3rd, 2026, OpenAI announced GPT 5.3 Instant as the new default model in ChatGPT. The update replaced GPT 5.2 Instant, which had been the standard model for everyday use. During a transition period, GPT 5.2 Instant will remain available as a legacy option until June 3rd, 2026, after which it will be retired. Developers can also access the new system through OpenAI's API under the name GPT-5.3-Chat-Latest. Unlike earlier updates that mainly focused on intelligence benchmarks or raw reasoning power, GPT 5.3 focuses heavily on usability and everyday interactions. OpenAI explained that GPT 5.3 Instant delivers more accurate answers, richer web search results, and better contextual understanding when answering questions. Another major goal of the update is to reduce unnecessary conversation dead ends. Earlier versions of ChatGPT sometimes produced responses that were overly cautious, overly defensive, or filled with disclaimers. GPT 5.3 aims to remove many of those patterns. The result is a system that feels more direct, more conversational, and easier to interact with, fixing one of ChatGPT's biggest complaints. One of the biggest criticisms of previous versions, particularly GPT 5.2 Instant, was tone. Many users reported that the model sometimes sounded overly cautious or moralizing when answering simple questions. Instead of providing a straightforward answer, the AI might begin with several warnings, disclaimers, or defensive explanations. OpenAI openly acknowledged this feedback. When the company announced GPT 5.3 Instant on March 3rd, 2026, they posted a short message saying, "We heard your feedback loud and clear, and 5.3 Instant reduces the cringe." The company explained that the model now prioritizes delivering a direct answer when the question is reasonable, instead of starting with defensive or moralizing statements. Tech media quickly picked up on this change. Reports noted that ChatGPT responses were becoming less rigid and less filled with unnecessary caveats. McRumors summarized the update by saying, GPT 5.3 Instant cuts down on refusals and tones down overly defensive preambles when answering questions. This shift reflects something OpenAI learned during a major moment in the company's recent history. When GPT-5 launched in August 2025, many users reacted negatively. The new system replaced GPT-4o, which had become extremely popular. Many people felt the replacement was colder, less conversational, and less helpful. The backlash became strong enough that OpenAI temporarily restored GPT-4o for paying users. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman later addressed the situation publicly. He said the company had learned an important lesson about upgrading a product used by hundreds of millions of people at once. That experience appears to have directly influenced the design of GPT 5.3. Accuracy improvements. Another major focus of GPT 5.3 is accuracy. Large language models sometimes generate incorrect information while sounding confident, a problem known as hallucination. OpenAI says GPT 5.3 significantly reduces this issue. Internal testing showed that hallucinations decreased by 26.8% when the model used web search. Without web access, hallucinations dropped by 19.7%, compared with GPT 5.2 Instant. User evaluations confirmed similar results. With web access enabled, users reported 22.5% fewer incorrect answers. Without web access, incorrect responses dropped by 9.6%. These improvements mean that GPT 5.3 produces more reliable answers while maintaining the same conversational speed. Reducing hallucinations has become one of the central challenges for the entire AI industry, and OpenAI is positioning GPT 5.3 as a step forward in that effort. Better integration with web search. GPT 5.3 also improves how ChatGPT interacts with information from the internet. Earlier versions sometimes relied too heavily on search results, repeating links or quoting web pages without deeper analysis. GPT 5.3 approaches this differently. Instead of simply returning links, the model tries to identify the main question behind the search and provide the most relevant information first. This approach combines external web results with the model's own reasoning abilities. The goal goal is to create answers that are both accurate and easier to understand. For users, this means fewer irrelevant links and more structured explanations. The scale of ChatGPT. These improvements matter because of the enormous scale of ChatGPT's user base. ChatGPT has hundreds of millions of users worldwide. External reporting suggests that around 700 million users were previously interacting with GPT-4o and earlier models inside ChatGPT. That means even relatively small improvements can affect millions of conversations every single day. For many people, ChatGPT has become a daily productivity tool used for learning, coding, research, and creative work. When OpenAI changes the default model, the impact is immediate and global. GPT-5.3 Codex, a major leap for coding. While GPT-5.3 Instant focuses on everyday conversations, another major development happened earlier in 2026. On February 5th, 2026, OpenAI introduced GPT-5.3 Codex, the company's most advanced coding model to date. This system combines the programming performance of earlier Codex models with the broader reasoning abilities of GPT-5. One of the biggest improvements is speed. OpenAI reports that GPT-5.3 Codex is 25% faster than the previous version when running on the same hardware. The model also achieved top scores on several coding benchmarks, including SWE Bench Pro and Terminal Bench 2.0, which measure real-world software development tasks. Another improvement is efficiency. GPT-5.3 Codex can solve programming problems using fewer tokens, making it more efficient during long development tasks. Long-running coding projects. One of the most interesting abilities of GPT-5.3 Codex is how it handles long projects. OpenAI says the system can work on complex programming tasks for days or even weeks, while still allowing the user to interact with it during the process. During demonstrations, the model created complex software projects, including games and applications. OpenAI showed the system iterating through millions of tokens of instructions while building a racing game and a diving game. Even basic development tasks have improved. When generating websites or landing pages, GPT-5.3 Codex can now produce more complete structures, including elements like pricing plans and image carousels. This moves AI-generated code closer to real production software, a model that helped build itself. One unusual detail about GPT-5.3 Codex is how it was used internally. OpenAI reported that early versions of the model helped debug and improve its own development process. According to the Codex team, the system became instrumental in accelerating its own training and deployment. OpenAI described the experience as the first time a Codex model significantly contributed to improving itself. Codex-Spark, real-time coding. Just 1 week after GPT-5.3 Codex launched, OpenAI introduced another system. On February 12th, 2026, the company released GPT-5.3 Codex-Spark in research preview. Spark is a smaller model optimized for real-time programming, developed in partnership with the hardware company Cerebras. Spark focuses on extremely low latency. The model can generate more than 1,000 tokens per second on specialized hardware. This makes it ideal for interactive coding environments where developers want immediate feedback. Spark also includes a 128,000 token context window, allowing it to process extremely large code bases. Despite its smaller size, the model solves coding tasks almost as well as the full GPT-5.3 Codex model, but much faster. Initially, Spark is available as a research preview for ChatGPT Pro users. AI image generation. Another major upgrade happened in December 2025 when OpenAI introduced a new image generation system inside ChatGPT. The model, available through the API as GPT Image 1.5, can generate and edit images up to 4 times faster than previous versions. The system is designed to make precise edits while preserving important details in an image. Users can upload photos and ask the AI to modify specific elements without losing the original structure of the image. OpenAI says the goal of the new interface is to make image creation fun, inspiring, and simple. The feature rolled out to all ChatGPT users. The video frontier, Sora 2. OpenAI has also been expanding into video generation. On September 30th, 2025, the company launched Sora 2, a text-to-video model capable of generating realistic videos with synchronized audio. Sora 2 can simulate physical motion accurately and generate scenes involving complex movement. The model can also create sound effects and spoken dialogue to match the visuals. Another important feature is scene consistency. Sora 2 can maintain continuity across multiple shots, allowing it to build complex scenes that feel more realistic. Although it operates separately from ChatGPT, Sora 2 represents another piece of OpenAI's generative AI ecosystem. Competition in the AI race. OpenAI is not alone in pushing AI development forward. Companies like Google and Anthropic are also focusing on improving accuracy and reducing hallucinations. Anthropic claims that its Claude Sonnet 4.6 model reduces hallucinations. Google has also been developing new models and released released Gemini 3.1 flashlight on the same day GPT 5.3 launched. The timing highlights how competitive the AI industry has become. What comes next? GPT 5.3 Instant is now the default experience for ChatGPT users. GPT 5.2 Instant will be retired on June 3rd, 2026. Developers can already access GPT 5.3 through OpenAI's API, while coding models like Codex and Codex-Spark are available through specialized tools. But the next step may already be on the horizon. OpenAI hinted at the future in a short message online: 5.4 sooner than you think. Conclusion: GPT 5.3 represents an important step in the evolution of ChatGPT. It improves conversational tone, reduces hallucinations, and expands AI capabilities across coding, images, and video. For the hundreds of millions of people using ChatGPT worldwide, these improvements mark another step toward more reliable and powerful AI tools. And if OpenAI's hints are correct, the next generation of AI may arrive sooner than anyone expects.